If you're in the market to buy a high-end gaming laptop at the start of 2023, I doubt you're going to find anything better than this. This is the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18, the latest laptop from Asus with the fastest specs, highest end specs that we can find at the start of 2023. Let's go ahead and unbox it. The color says off-black. I don't know what an off-black is. I've heard of off-white, but let's find out what off-black looks like. It's a nice packaging, very premium, big box. All right, let's go ahead and take this out. Heavy as well, quite heavy. Oh, wow. Look at that. The laptop is right up there for you to kind of check out. Very commanding, massive, massive laptop. And you go ahead and push this down so it brings the laptop forward. Nice unboxing experience. Well done, Asus. That's quite nice. So let me keep the laptop aside for a second and see what's included in there. We've got a nice little rock and roll kind of logo here. Massive power brick. Now that is one huge power brick. This is 330 watts. It's, I don't know, put two of these together and you've got an iPad or an iPad mini somewhere on that side. This is big. It probably needs all that power considering the specs, which we'll get to in a minute. Little covers and accessories. Let's go ahead and see what else is there. Just some literature, quick start guides, English, Arabic, all of that. I mean, basically what you really need is the power adapter, right? And that's included in the box. And that's pretty much it. Cool. So let's get to the laptop now. Let's have a look from it outside. You've got the ROG logo right up front over here, which looks nice, the eye. The back side is all ventilation. You're probably going to need that considering the powerful components inside this with the cooling they require. Again, some more ventilation. You've got two USB-A ports on this side. Front is clean, nothing on this side. And on here, you have the power adapter, the RJ45, HDMI, and two USB-C slots, along with a 3.5mm. All right, shall we go ahead and open this big bad boy? Ooh, look at that. Oh, this is cool. So you've got a translucent layer over here, so you can actually see the components underneath it, which looks quite nice. Intel Core i9, RTX, all of that is right here. Very big wrist, very big wrist space. Good big trackpad. Not that you're going to use that for gaming. Obviously, you're going to have a dedicated mouse. Let's go ahead and power this device. So you've got RGB on the keyboard, as I can see over here. There's a nice little RGB on the back as well. Here, as you can see, nice RGB lighting on the logo as well. Some lighting over there as well. So yeah, Asus has gone all out with RGB lighting. Now let's take a look at the quick specs on this. It's got a massive 18-inch WQXGA screen, and you've got the NVIDIA RTX 4090 graphics card on it with 16 gigs of RAM with it. From the CPU perspective, it's the latest Intel i9-13980HX on this, which is the fastest Intel makes for a laptop right now. You've got 32 gigs of RAM on it. You've got 2 terabytes of storage, and what Asus has done has used two 1 terabyte drives in RAID 0 to give you better performance, so super fast performance on there. And then obviously all the ports and stuff that I've already mentioned on there. So how much does this bad boy cost you? 18,000 dirhams. That's what you can expect to pay out of this. Now this is available in the UAE already, so you can get your hands on it. 18,000 is a lot of money, but look, the specs you're getting, there's nothing faster than that on a laptop port. You've got the fastest CPU, the fastest GPU, excellent, like 32 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes of RAID 0 storage. So Asus has gone all out from that perspective. They've put it nicely in a package which looks good, looks commanding, looks very gamery. You've got a lot of LEDs, you've got a lot of RGB on it as well. And yeah, I think it's a great package. Can't really wait to test this out and play some games on it.